In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch from Gemini back to Google Assistant. If you've been trying out Gemini but prefer the familiar experience of Google Assistant for quick voice commands, reminders, or controlling your smart home, this walkthrough will help you switch back in just a few taps. I'll also share a few helpful tips so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening the Gemini app on your phone. If Gemini is integrated into your Google app, you can open the Google app instead. The switch option appears in the same place. Give the app a moment to load on the home screen so all the menu options are available. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap your profile picture or your initial. This opens your account menu where you can manage settings and switch between available assistants. If you use multiple Google accounts on the same device, double check that you're in the account where you want the change to apply. In the account menu, find and select the option labeled Switch to Google Assistant. And this is the key control that moves you from Gemini's experience back to the classic assistant. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your app version or region, but it will clearly reference switching to Google Assistant. If you don't see it, make sure the app is updated to the latest version and that you're signed in to a supported account. After selecting the switch option, you'll be prompted to choose Google Assistant and then confirm. Tap Google Assistant, and when the confirmation appears, select Switch. The confirmation is important. It tells the app to make Google Assistant your active assistant for voice queries and on-screen prompts again. Once you've confirmed, the change usually takes effect right away. You can test it by using your usual voice prompt or by opening the Google app and asking a quick question. You should notice Google Assistant's familiar responses and interface. Your existing reminders, lists, and routines tied to your Google account remain available, so you won't need to set them up again. If you ever decide to return to Gemini, you can come back to the same profile menu and choose Gemini instead. It's a reversible change, so feel free to switch based on what works best for your daily tasks. That's it. Quick, clear, and reversible. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get Google Assistant running again exactly the way you like.